Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm going to show you how I steel a knife. Steeling a knife is important to restore the edge to its optimal sharpness between sharpening and after use. This is a 12-inch carbon steel knife steel. This is not a ceramic steel. I like the ceramic steels, but I find them to be extremely delicate, so I've settled on this one. And I don't like anything shorter than 12 inches because I find it very difficult to use safely. The way I do this is not necessarily the best way or the only way. It's the way that I've found that works, but it's not for everybody. If you like it, give it a try. Here's how it goes. I start by establishing the angle on the steel. So for most kitchen knives, that's a 20-degree angle. And then I'm going to do 5 firm strokes on each side of the knife. 1, 2, and then I'm going to do 5 firm strokes on the other side. Then I'm going to do 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same pressure. Now I'm going to do a few more strokes at decreasing pressure, 1 each side. 1, 1. A little bit less pressure, a little bit less, and then light pressure. And that's it. So this knife is now restored to almost as sharp as it was when I sharpened it. And it's, very pleasurable to use a knife that's like this. And I do this a couple times a day as I use my knives. So there you go, give it a try.